25 useful hacks of Vaseline that every teen girl should know. What if I told you the most powerful beauty product for teen girls isn't expensive, isn't trendy, and probably already sitting in your house? Yes, it's Vaseline. That one little jar everyone ignores. But today I am sharing 25 useful Vaseline hacks that can give you soft lips, long lashes, soft skin, healthy nails, and an instant glow up. All on a budget. Let's turn this basic jar into your ultimate beauty secret. Lip Balm Savior. Apply Vaseline before bed and wake up with baby soft lips. DIY Lip Gloss. Mix Vaseline with a little lipstick of your favorite shade. It will create an instant DIY lip gloss for soft pink lips. Eyebrow Tamer. Brush a tiny bit Vaseline on brows to keep them neat all day. Long-lasting perfume. Melt the Vaseline by putting it in boiling water. Add your favorite perfume in the melted Vaseline and mix together. Freeze for some hours, then apply. This will make the scent last longer. Instant long lashes. Curl your lashes with Vaseline, then apply mascara on it. It will give an instant long eyelash finish. Makeup remover. Vaseline removes waterproof mascara and eyeliner smoothly, without pulling or damaging your lashes. It's gentle on sensitive skin and leaves the eye area soft instead of dry. Natural highlighter. Dab on cheekbones, nose tip, and brow bone for a natural glow. It gives a dewy finish without looking glittery or heavy. Tame baby hairs. Use a tiny bit of Vaseline on your fingertips. Gently pat it onto baby hairs to set them neatly in place. It keeps hair in place without making it hard or sticky. Nail polish cleanup. Apply Vaseline around nails before painting. It prevents the nail polish from sticking to the skin. Cuticle care. Use Vaseline on cuticles to make them easier to push back. It helps to protect the surrounding skin of your nails. Overnight face mask. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline at night and wake up hydrated. Oil cleansing. Cleanse your face with Vaseline, then wipe it off with a clean damp cloth. It gently cleanses the skin and gives a fresh look. DIY body scrub. Mix sugar and coffee with Vaseline for a gentle and hydrating exfoliation. Creamy makeup. Combine Vaseline with powdered products like pigments or eyeshadow to make creamy formulas. DIY brow gel. Mix Vaseline with eyeshadow according to your hair color. Add a little hairspray in it and your eyebrow gel is ready. Makeup primer. Use Vaseline as a primer before foundation. Apply foundation, then blend it all for a natural dewy finish. Lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with honey and sugar to make a lip scrub. Scrub it on your lips for effective results like soft lips. Blackhead remover. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your nose and chin. Take a plastic wrap and cover the area where Vaseline is applied. Tap warm cloth on it for 5 minutes. Take off the wrap and use hairpin to gently clean off the blackheads. Remove hair gently. Apply Vaseline on areas you want to shave hair. Shave the areas gently. This will keep the skin soft and prevent from getting rough. Split end smoother. Apply Vaseline to ends of hair to temporarily smooth split ends. Jewelry sliding hack. Ring stuck on your finger? Apply a small amount of Vaseline around it to help the ring slide off easily. Remove wrinkles. Combine Vaseline with milk and orange juice. Mix it up and apply the mask on wrinkly skin. It will help in reducing wrinkles on your skin. Soft hands and feet. Mix Vaseline and aloe vera gel together to make a cream. Apply it overnight and wake up with soft hands and feet. Under eye cream. Combine Vaseline with few drops of vitamin E oil. Apply on under eyes to remove dark circles and for soft skin. And there you have it, 25 useful hacks with just one product. I hope this video was useful. Meet you all in the next video.